Okay, I just realized my mic wasn't working that whole time. I was talking for ages. What's up, Hyric? How's it going, Shambi? I just saw your message after I noticed. Let me see. Volume down on music. As I was saying, I got a sit-stand desk, so I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, now... Oops. Just hit my chair. I can now move and not be cutting off my circulation while I work. Let's see. Alright, what am I doing today? Goals for today. Let's see. Today's goals. Let's work on the Terrorworm fight. Let's make that better. Let's see. Terrorworm fight. Final boss fight. I want to make that better. Today's goals. Let's see. Write this. Alright, Terrorworm fight. Final boss fight. It's the main ones. I just have some simple ideas for that. And then I could make elemental effects heal you. I could do something with the something with the frogs would be good, I think, to make it better. And the pyrofly. Maybe we'll do that. I think I could just do some like simple behavior changes to make them better. And I could make elemental damage heal you. That would be pretty easy to do. I think these are my to-dos. And I also need to do some level design. I don't know, I'm only gonna do a few hours. Some level design and Oasis. So let's start with that. Yeah, also what I was saying, one of my friends got under his desk, he got a treadmill. Like, you can get these really small compact treadmills, and he just like walks while he works, and apparently it works pretty well. Like, he doesn't get distracted, or it's not like, I don't know, it doesn't stop him from using a computer. So I'm thinking of doing that next. That would be fun. Then I could like spend more time every day walking than I do sitting, which would probably be a lot healthier. Okay, so let's see. So currently what I'm doing with this area, the first thing is I want to make sure that it's not really easy to get lost. So I'm trying to like, I've got these roads going everywhere. And then I'm kind of doing like a different style of like rock structure in each area. Like this one's lines, this one's circles. Over here, there's no rocks. I mean, probably easy to get lost once you're actually in there, but just want to make sure if you leave, you know, you just hit a road and you'll be able to find your way back easily. And then each spot is a little distinguished. Like, I'm not going to use vines on all of them. Probably won't have dirt at all of them. These dirt hills might make some like, I'm thinking I'll do some like kind of variant texture for this vine, and then I could use that, like a purple version I could use over here, just to make every spot like a little distinct. Right, but for now, let's see. So we start here, we come out here, and you encounter the first new enemy here. Then you go out here, and you see this, a broken signal station. So now you know what a signal station looks like. There's a gun spawn there. All right, let's go back to here. Let's see. All right, so let's say you start here. You get over here, okay, and then there's the road. You can travel on the road and use these things to boost you along to go faster. But probably what's gonna happen is the player's gonna wanna like run up on here and look around. They're gonna see there's tons of cliffs. And there's, maybe that looks interesting, let's go explore that. So let's put some guys in here. Why is there guns over here? Oh, that must be from like old level design stuff. Okay, let's get rid of you. And fit, yeah, I'm gonna get very fit. This is the year of the shred. Okay, so we put you over here. Get another gun. Alright, so you get 2 standard guns, whatever. Oh, maybe I should use the generic. Ah, it doesn't matter. All guns are good enough. So you go in here to explore, and it's like, ah, there's some like trees over here. And then I think in here I want to have some enemies. Maybe I'll have someone like up here. And so I'll do some over here. Okay, let's see. I'll just say north area. I'll just give them all distinct names. Root camp, let's say. Soldier. Alright, so they can all just be hanging out in here. I'll put in to start. Yeah, I think just a few generic enemies so you get a sense of what's here. And maybe I'll do some patrol points. Patrol. To check what the name was on that. So you'll patrol there to there, let's say. Let's see, is the name, I give it, no, patrol nodes, that's what it's called. All right. So give you patrol points, and you will also patrol. You'll go to here. You'll go to here. And, oh, we gotta bake this nav mesh. All right, come on, don't crash. You can do it. All right, there we go. Wait, did it work? I don't see a nav mesh. I don't see a nav mesh. Did it just fail? Where's the nav mesh? Is it just not working now? Oh my god. Maybe I have to mess with the settings or something. Alright, yeah, it's just not working. What the hell? Alright, water is not part of it. Environment. It's in the navigable environment group. Navigation should be pulling from meshes now. When you bake. Mesh instance, group with children, navigable environment, yes. Size of cells, change it to 1 and 1. Maybe that'll make it better, easier. Well, it got farther that time. No, what's going on? Condition RC build polymesh is true. Oh my god. Maybe I guess it's probably having trouble with all these CSG polygons. I wonder. Now let's make it really large cells. There we go. Okay, it worked with that. Make the cells really large, it works. Come on. Okay, I can do the next size down. Let's see, what if I do 1 on the height? Oh, slacks. Oh, that did render. It is struggling with these hills though. Okay, alright, now let's do 1.5. I just have to mess with this until it gives me something that works. That is not good enough. Huh. Max climb, max slope. I can increase that. Let's try increasing max slope. What's everyone working on? What are you all been up to? Oh my god, it's just not giving me a... It's got to be something to do with the size of this. Writing comics. Nice. Like funny comics or like graphic novels comics? Like serious? I don't know. Alright, that works. Okay, so I just had to change the size. But then it gives me these huge gaps here, which I don't like. It's better than nothing. Okay, so 1.5, 0.2 works. About 0.3. Let's try this. Come on. More like goofy-ish. Trying to get better at 3D model and failing. What kind of style are you doing for 3D modeling? Usually if, like, I don't know, in my experience, if I'm not good at something, I just try to figure out how to make it as like simple enough that I can do something that looks good with the limited skills I have. Game dev struggling, can't even choose a project. Oh, is it just gonna crash? Alright, don't click anything or it'll crash. Saving scene. Oh no, it's crashing because I tried to save the nav mesh. God damn it. I hate when it does that. You just can't save the scene because it's like struggles to save the nav mesh. Did I make more money off Rotflesh or devlogs? Rotflesh, yeah. I made more off of that. Well, I guess, I don't know. It's actually pretty even, I think. Because like in terms of all the courses over several years, it has done probably better. But like, actually now I think game sales are better. And go fix your shit. Alright, let's see, what can I save here? So if I generate this, okay, and then I hit save, it works. Okay, so I can do size 2, height 1. What if I do height 0.4, bake that, save. Will this work? That saves, okay. 1.5, bake. Come on. Can't choose a project, just don't. Just start over with a new project, you know? That's a great idea. Just start over with a new... I mean, that actually could be a thing if you're just like stuck on something. Okay, that crashes. If I change it to 1.5, it crashes there. Goddamn. So annoying. Make a game after all the prototypes and templates. Yeah, you could do the game in 1 week challenge or 1 month. It's like a good way to take a break from longer projects to do something small. All right, where is my mesh? Okay, here you are. So that basically works. But if I go smaller, it crashes. That's the best I can do for nav meshes, I think. Size 2, what if I do size 1.7? Can I do that? So bake it. Oh, okay, I can do 1.7, nice. Doesn't crash. It doesn't go in here at all, but... I mean, I could probably move these. If I moved this a little bit, and then I baked it. Okay, that gave me some in the middle. Maybe if I like move it over a little bit. There. Okay, now the guys can run through that. And they can run through here, so that's fine. Okay, so let's see what happens if I run through that. What? Where's the skull? Get node. Oh, come on. What is this on? What path? Pop up SNG. Oh, come on. Really? So dumb. This still gets fucked up. Like the... Oh, that. Because I guess because I reparented it, it just messes up node paths somehow. Yeah, these crashes kind of suck. This is a huge problem with like 3D path nav mesh generation, is that like sometimes it'll fail on the nav mesh generation, and then sometimes it'll succeed, but if you try to save the game, it crashes, or save it in the editor, it'll crash. Oh, and I gotta figure out what all these new lag spikes are. Okay, so if I come over here, then I'm like, all right, this looks. Wait, where's the spot? It was over here, right? Oh, well, this is something. Yeah, this is where I was. Oh, is there... Oh, my UI is turned off. There we are. Okay. This is cool. They're a lot more visible than they were before on the old environment. There's definitely some lag now. And the environments are a lot more like dense, so there's definitely like more to do. You know, I'm not sure I like this the way it is actually. This open world format, like it doesn't, it's not as polished. Maybe I should redo this. I'm kind of like, because like this area looks nice, and if the whole game was like this and it very clearly led you to different areas, I think I kind of want to redo this. Like this is a good test. This is being like a good test bed, but I think I could just duplicate this scene, rip out a bunch of stuff, and then like try doing this differently. Oh, in the first cutscene? Well, the trees are green, so I'm not worried about that. The tree, or the leaves are green. It's just the sand that's pink. That would be interesting though. If I made it pink, I wonder if people would notice. So I like this, but it's too open. Like players are 100% gonna get lost with this. And that's something I wanted to avoid, was the getting lost. Like, I like the roads. I like how it leads you in and there's like, you know, a road, a clear path. But I think what I should do is make it much more like well-defined, and like, I'll do like 4 direct paths maybe. So like, instead of the way it is now, I could do like 1 path this way, and like maybe like some side things you could look at and explore, and then I'll do that over here too. And I could just do some like windy paths or something, some more like actual level design instead of this open thing. I don't like this open thing. It's just too confusing. There's just too much space. There's no way to make sure the player gets to the fun parts. So I think I'm gonna avoid that. I'll make it a lot more linear. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna trash this, but I will redo Oasis level design to be more linear. Kind of, I mean, it's not gonna be perfectly linear because there will be one route to the left, one route to the right or something. Like there will be a few set paths, and there will be, I'll do like a fork in one, and I could have like some extra quests down that, but I'm going to make it very clear where to go. Yeah, just guide people to the fun and kind of get rid of all this like spaced out stuff. And then I can do like some actual like design encounters where it's not like I'm just throwing stuff around randomly. All right, I don't need to exit that. All right, well, we'll get to that later. Now let's get to that I think that fills my, where is it? This is my old note. Here we are. Some level design goal quota. All right, now we get to the terrorworm fight. More walls. Make the vines. Yeah, I could do that too. I just want to make it like more level designy because I like the intro. The intro is really cool and it very clearly shows you where and what to do, where to go, what to do. But then from there, it just opens up in this huge world and you're just completely lost, which is not good in this situation. Okay, so now the next thing is I have all these spacecraft you can run into in this scene. So the terrorworm is somewhere. You enter the scene. Over here, the terrorworm comes in. So the problem with the fight right now is that, whoops. The problem with the fight right now is that problems. Nobody knows you can jump. How the fight works. It aims at you if you're touching the ground. Solution idea, I could make, I'm thinking I make so the spacecraft damage it, so you automatically try to go on them and jump off. I don't need to write this stuff down. Did you buy it? I mean, it's sure. Yeah, I would say it's a good idea. So the spacecraft can damage it, and then also what I could do is if you jump on the spacecraft, it won't track you. I'll say that it won't track you for a bit, like for the next few seconds or something. So that way it'll track the spacecraft over you. So that way it'll magnet to that. Then people will automatically figure out, okay, I need to go on these. I need to jump on these. It won't like aim at me. I don't know. It'll just, maybe they'll do it without even realizing it. So let's see. Terrorworm. So first up, I want to make it take damage when it hits that. If it's in this, so let's see. What are these things? Spacecraft, where are you? Where did I just hide you? Environment. Alright, spacecraft object. You have a destroy method. Hide that. It does say that it feels the vibration, but nobody like understands what to do with that is the problem. Alright, that's not where the destroy function is called. It's probably called in kill zone. No, there's like a script somewhere that calls it. It's got to be attached to the head, maybe. Well, there's the jaw, and then there's the tail. Isn't there like a... Which one's the... Is that the head one? Skeleton. Oh, here we are. Bone attachment, tail 0. Wait, what is this? Why is that under here and not... Oh, that's weird. Well, let's see. Destroy spacecraft. Okay. I'll connect a signal. Whoops, caps lock. Signal. You bought it? Cool. Thanks, Gaber. Destroyed something. So when you're on the spacecraft, it goes towards the spacecraft. It doesn't go towards you. So you can like stand on a solar panel that's sticking out. Like if you stand on the edge here, it's going to target the center of it because that's the part touching the ground, right? That's where it senses the vibrations. But there's not really a clear way to like explain that to the player. Like, hey, you should stand over here. And then it'll hit this and you can shoot it. Also, everything's too spaced out, so you can't actually reach all the spacecraft while it's in between charges. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to put more of them around, and then I will make so it takes damage when it does that. So the player's like, okay, I want to stand on these so that it takes damage. That's a good thing to stand on these. And then make so it doesn't track you for a few seconds after you stand on it. So if you jump on it and then it starts coming towards you and then the player jumps off and runs away, it won't track the player. It'll keep going towards that. And then if you're off of it and it tracks towards you, then the player will quickly figure out, oh, I shouldn't be on the ground because it's going to come towards me. I feel like that might work. That's like my thought. We'll see once it goes in, but I think that could work. All right, let's see. So this is what destroys it. So if you destroy something, destroy it and emit the signal that we destroyed something. And let's get a reference to that. Spacecraft area. Okay, so we get a reference to that, and why is the game resource intensive even though it's low poly? Because it uses the open source Godot engine, which is being optimized for usability over performance, and so it takes a lot of work to make it work performance-wise, and hopefully a lot of that's getting fixed in the next version of the engine. I've also been working with someone who works on the engine to make the game more efficient. I mean, honestly, at this point, I'm like, maybe I should have just used Unity. It would have saved me a lot of time. But then I also would have had to pay their fees and deal with all their licensing stuff that I don't want to deal with. Okay, we'll do a function take spacecraft damage, and I will connect it to, we have this area, connect, what's it, destroyed something to self to take spacecraft damage, and connect to that. Okay, so now it'll connect to that. Thanks for the sub. Who is that? Retro MMO. Oh, hey, what's up? How's it going? You would make the spacecraft safe zones, no attacking there. But it's a boss fight. There shouldn't be safe zones. You should be threatened the whole time. Let's see. We got that. All right. Export var damage from spacecraft. Let's say 50. Wait, how much health does this have? It starts with 700. So 50 damage is a decent chunk. Let's do that. And then when we hit this, we'll do damage. Let's say I need a new damage data thing. So bar damage data. Close that. Dot new. And we do damage. Equals damage from spacecraft, and then we pass that in. And that should work, and let's just do a print and check. And then we go in and load the scene. Yeah, you do need him to attack, but then it's like, okay, so I jump off the spacecraft, and then it comes and charges at me, and then I jump back on, and then it hits the ground where I was, and I'm safe. It's like the easiest thing ever. Have I tried using the built-in Godot profile? I have a lot. It's not fully fleshed out. It's like hard to figure out some things. There's, I don't know, a lot of stuff that, like, if you call certain methods that are like not your own, it's like if you do a pathfind call, it doesn't always like show up in the thing, or if you do renders, there's like a lot of things that I use that don't show up there, and like you have to kind of figure out tangentially how to like see what the performance cost is. Yeah, I think after this update I might just pay someone, and I'm gonna just get a dev to like, I'll just pay them to debug and fix it. Are there any FOSS games with proper optimization for like 3D? Not that I know of. I mean, Godot is the most advanced open source engine right now. All right, let's see. And it took some damage. Okay, cool. Man, there's a lot of lag spikes right now. That was called the right time, right? Okay, cool. So now it takes damage from that. The next thing, let's see, is it's getting your player's position, right? Let's see. We have a reference to what we called target. Set NBC target. Okay. No. Player reference. Here we are. Start fight on player enter. Okay, so player ref, character mover ref. Let's see. Is that what it calls it? Get player ground position. Oh, if the last thing the player touches in the spacecraft group, then it moves towards the spacecraft. Okay, let's see. Time, move towards spacecraft. I don't know, let's say 5 seconds. So if the last thing you touched is that, then we'll call it bad aim time. Let's see. Okay, so we'll do this. So if the last thing the player touched is the spacecraft, then we're going to set the current bad aim time to be equal time, or let's call this time with bad aim. Bad aim. And then we do current bad aim time moves towards spacecraft. It's pretty bare bones. Yeah, it is. I mean, talking to one of the devs, it seems like they use a custom C++ profiler for a lot of stuff. But apparently a lot of the game is, like you're saying, who was saying, it was like, why is it have resource intensive even though it's low poly? Well, the rendering isn't the problem. The problem is all the physics, because every creature you see, every enemy is like physics-based movement. And it would work better if I didn't use that. I actually experimented with just doing nav mesh and just translating them across the world, and it was massive improvement. But the problem is that you can't get nav meshes to perfectly line up with the ground, so they'll end up like moving in weird, unnatural ways, where they'll like float above the ground and then clip through the ground. And it's like, yeah, it just doesn't work right. So, I mean, I could do something like, I kind of experimented with. The problem is that one of the cool things that a lot of them do, the enemies, is they'll jump around a lot and like move in this very chaotic way. But it's also like not too chaotic that you can't shoot them and keep an aim on them. But the jumping is what throws it off too. But I could like figure out a way if I were to like, I calculate a path, because I have the pathfinding figured out. It's all done on a separate thread. But what I could do is like calculate the path. I kind of messed with this, but I calculate the path, and then I could like shoot ray casts down from those points, and then like, I don't know, at a set interval or something. And then the characters will move along from point to point. So that way it'll always stay stuck to the ground. They won't use the physics movement, and they also won't clip through the ground. That is something I want to mess with. But I'd rather just pay someone to do it. I don't want to do this anymore. Like, performance optimizations, I don't know. At this point, I'm just like, I don't want to work on that. It's so much extra. Yeah, there's a lot of exhausting stuff I had to do. I've like broken the engine multiple times figuring out issues. Like, oh, you save a lot of performance if you remove a character from the tree. So like every time I move out of range of an NPC, it gets removed from the tree, so it's not running any of its code, which is a huge performance boost. But the problem was that because enemies would ragdoll when you kill them, there was a bug where one bone on the ragdoll would get super fucked up after you remove it from the tree and then add it back in. So it was just an engine bug. So I put out like a small bounty. I was just like $20 for anyone who fixed this, and some like random contributor fixed it, and it was like took like 3 months. But then it's like, okay, that bug is fixed, and it's like, I don't know, it's just a lot of weird issues I found because I'm doing stuff with the engine no one else has done, like, I don't know, pushing it to the limits. Yeah, the devs were like that actually. Like the guy who literally wrote all the docs on how to prove performance has been helping me with it, and I gave him access to the code, and he was like tweeting about, yeah, I got access to like a large scale game, like somebody's like fully like pushing the engine to the limits with this. The way I'm using like scenes and the tree structure and all that. All right, let me get to. Let's see. Let's do this. Last thing you touch is that. We set the aim to be that. Last thing player touch current player position equals that. Current player position, if it's a space crypt, yeah, we do that. Current player position, last point touched. I don't know. Equals vector 3. Whoops. And we're just going to set it to be this equals the current, whatever, that's fine. Okay, and then we're going to do, if it's that, okay, so if it breaks, if current bad aim time is greater than 0, then we're going to, can I get delta? Let's see. I know there is a way to get delta. Let's see. Like without actually getting it from process. I know you can do like OSS, not or OS. Where is it? If true, measure time between calls here. No, not that. I know there's a way you can actually like call something and do like time, like in. Oh, here it is. Get process delta time. Wait, what is this called from? That's the question. Ground player position. Arc, adjust burrow path. Arc, okay, where is this called from? Called from here, process burrow state, where is that called? This is in physics process, okay, so. Oops. So we need to do process get physics process delta time. Subtract that. Okay. Current player position equals last point there, and then we break there. So that should do it. So now it should give me 5 seconds of like extra time. Let's see. I can just print too. Let's see. Print padding on something. Print game. There we go. All right, let's see. Do I think it's a good engine? I mean, I love the usability. That's like why I kept using it, or like why I first started using it. Was just it was so much easier to use. Okay, here we are. Whoa. Okay, wait. 4, 5. Come on. Okay, that is not resetting. Let's see. That, like, for something that's not performance demanding, like especially 2D games, it's so fun. Like, I do Ludum Dares, and I like throw together an awesome game in like 15 hours, and it's just the best. Okay, wait, what was that? Hang on, let's just do just a couple characters. Let's see. And that way it won't overflow. Okay, so normal aim, bad aim. Okay, and then it stops because yeah. When states change, oh, okay. So when the state changes, I need it to, this isn't processing when the state changes. Oh, what I should do is set the time, not use delta. Yeah, let's use time. So let's see, time with bad aim, current time, all right, let's see. Time, bad aim, set. And then we do this, so time bad aim set equals os dot get. Come on. Oh my god. Why aren't you auto completing? Shut up. Shut up, shut up. Okay. Okay, so equals os dot get ticks millisecond divided by 1,000. Okay, oh wait, do I have get time in here? No, I don't. Sometimes I write that. Count person how many sales? I don't know. It was a few thousand. It was basically as much money as I made from courses. A little more. Courses and YouTube and everything. So, I mean, I'm like set for the next at least year. Probably like 2 years maybe, if I'm careful. Codera is doing similar with their game, particularly across. Who's Codera? Let's see. Codera. Game? Games, Codera. Improved AI pathfinding. Oh, Rings of Saturn. Oh, yeah. I've heard of this. Huh. They do have a Twitch. Yeah, I remember seeing Rings of Saturn. Oh, yeah. Didn't they talk about, like, Linux or something? The value of using Linux because it... what do you call it? Oh yeah, more people report bugs and they give better bug reports, and the bugs are across all platforms usually. Unlike Mac, where all the bugs are just on Mac and you have to buy $1,000 computer to fix it. All right, so we get the time. All right, let's just do var t time equals that. So, all right, time bad aim set is t. All right, if we get the current time, we subtract it by the time it was set. If that is greater than or equal to time with bad aim, or no, less than time with bad aim, we just ignore that and we do that. Let's see. Let's see, I need to see, I guess I need to see what this is, t minus that, there we are. It'll show me how much time I have left. Oh wait, I want to like print this as a bug, or as like a, yeah, I don't want this here. Wait, oh crap, I don't think I cut any code there, okay. Alright, we'll do this. That's the code I want, and I'll go to process here. So get current time. Yeah, that's what I want. I have not checked out root pilot. I don't know what it is. I'll have to look at it in a second. Okay, so showing use. Wait, what is this? Hang on. So that's the current time minus the time it was set. Okay, yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so that means being 10 seconds. So let's try this real quick. I might want a few seconds less, but. Okay, so it has bad aim right now. Now it has good aim, so it should be coming right at me. Oh, but I did touch the spacecraft right at the same. Okay. Alright, so that does seem to be working. I think I want to adjust that though. Let's export. I'm going to change it to like just a few seconds. You have to like time it more. Okay, and then let's put more of these spacecraft around so you can actually like reach them all. Whoops. Yeah, that's good. I think a lot of these are identical. No, you. Click. Click. Yeah, we'll just throw a bunch around here. Yeah, that's good. You maybe over here. Oh, maybe I should like spread them out more like awkwardly, so they're not just like easy reach. Game is done. I mean, the game is technically done, but I'm improving it. I think I made a lot of mistakes on release, just because, well, one, I've never released a game on this scale before. Two, I was very burnt out, and I was running out of money, and I just wanted to finish it as fast as I could, which led to issues that could have been fixed if I had like more time and energy if I wasn't working alone. But now I have money and I have time and energy, so I've been paying people to help and also working a lot more on it, so the game's going to turn out a lot better. It's kind of interesting how it's like when like a game, when you don't know what you're doing or you're tired and you just want it to end, the game just like cannot turn out good no matter what you do. But then like once you have like energy and you have like an idea of how to make it good, it just instantly becomes easy to make it fun. Okay, that's good. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Let's try this again. Like the psychedelic thing. Oh yeah, that was a cool spot. Scaling is happening. Wait, what do you mean the scaling? Alright, so here we are. Let's try this. So this is like, so, oh, I'm missing some spots, whatever. It's a pretty standard. Oops, okay, let's try that again. Say this, oh, scale of production, yeah. It's so nice hiring people. It's just like every time I pay someone to do something, I just feel like a weight lift off my shoulder. Oh, I don't like that solar panel there. It blocks the view of the worm as it's coming. I need to get rid of that. Okay, so that did damage. So be like, okay, I'll come over here and then like lure it over. And it's like, whoa. Oh, and it came towards me because I was off for too long. So let's see. Oh, and then it broke that one. I need like a sound effect for when it breaks it. Yeah, okay, cool. This is playing out better. I might need to make it do less damage actually, whoops. Now though I'm trapped because there's nowhere to go. Run! Oh damn, okay. Did that kill it? Because it should be a little harder, but if it's easy, I don't mind. I don't mind when something is easy. If a fight's easy, it tends to be actually funner when it's easy. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. That actually feels like a fun fight now. I mean, it's pretty easy, but I'm also the one who made it, so it's gonna be a lot easier for me. All right, so we cut that. Should give like a cool view. Yeah, that like immediately made it 100 times better. That's a lot of lag. Oh, it wasn't lagging for me. Maybe it could be OBS. OBS does fuck up a lot now. For some reason, it's just started screwing up. Let's see, what's next? So, what did I want to check? Oh, I want to drop the damage on it. Yeah, it doesn't like the screen shake probably. Oh yeah, it's probably like a compression thing. Let's see. So damage from spacecraft. Let's drop it in half. And let's see. Thanks, Master Rat. Alright. Oh, that's not the save I wanted. Alright, come over here. Come on. Hit it. Yeah. Whoa, what? Why was that so much damage? Alright, let me see. Hang on. Terrorworm, where's your... Destroy you. Yep. You are connected. No, it's at the end here. There. Take it in. Print. See. Let's see if I run that. What is it, the WSD to move? I'm not sure. I think it's there. I think there's like a pop-up. It's like loading in the game in a weird spot. Oh, it just took damage twice. Oh, it's taking it twice every time it hits. Okay. I need to do a check to make so it only takes it once. Okay. So it is taking it twice for some reason. So let's say do time, and I'll just say millisecond. Okay, so that's the time. So, or wait, we need to get time first. RT equals that. Yeah. If let's see, t minus last c is less than 0.1 return. That should stop it from happening twice in a row. I think it might be because when I do the autosave, it remembered right where I was before I loaded in the game. And so it's like, oh, we need to move you somewhere else. But also, where you first start is in the tutorial area. And then it pushes you where, then it loads your spot that you're in, which is in a load zone to load you to here. It's kind of a little buggy, but I haven't bothered fixing it because there's not really any point. I mean, I could, it's just like, I'd rather make the game funner, you know? Okay, there we go, now it's working. Okay. And I can like take some pot shots at it. Oh, damn it. Okay, so this spot is... Oh, okay. That spot, there's kind of a gap that's hard to reach. But I kind of like it, it's funny. I might leave it in and see. If people complain about it, then they'll be like, oh wait, maybe they should go that way, huh? Why was damage being called twice? It was probably just like, I don't know, registering the hit area twice or something. I don't really care. I don't I don't enjoy looking at bugs if I can just fix them doing something easy. Yeah, this is out. It's just, I'm making it better. Whoa, that was close. I did not expect it to come from there. Yeah, this is pretty cool now. Alright, fight over. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I like this fight. I like this now. I think it's a lot better. And there we go. Do I need a sound effect when it breaks these? I don't care. I don't think it does. It's loud enough. Alright, let's... Oh, wait, what? Why did it hide you for steam powered? I've been trying to like set up the whitelist for this so many times so that people won't get timed out for like that. All right, let's see. You can also type rot flesh and it'll give it to you. Oh wait, that gives you the playlist. Hang on. Or there, let's see. I need to set up my commands. Yeah, authorize, whatever. All right, commands. So we're doing custom. Where were we last? I need to change this to show the, whoa. Huh, reviews have been going up. That's interesting. They were like going down last time I was checking. It was a while ago. I haven't actually read reviews in a long time. I saw all the initial reviews and I was like, all right, I know everything that's wrong now. Let's go fix it. Let's see. Oh, I wish you could do. You can't do new lines. It's kind of annoying. Like, all right, you can also buy it here. Let's say. So steampowered.com should be in the whitelist. I don't know why it isn't. Let's just put a bunch of dots and see if let's hit go in. Let's see. What was the next thing? Oh, whitelist. Spam protection. Blacklist phrases. Wait. No, I didn't want blacklist. What the hell? Disable. I wanted whitelist. Links. Okay. Wait, do I even have blacklist? Wait. Options. Oh, okay. There. I don't actually have any set. Thought I had messed that up. Okay, so I have steampowered.com. Why isn't it? Yeah, I did set up. Okay, maybe I have to do store dot. So annoying. Okay, we'll submit. We'll do that. Let's add. All right, somebody try posting a link to this and see if it works. Store.steampower. Well, the link was kind of broken there. Okay, it works. Okay, cool. That's good. I will also, just in case, put this in. There we go. Okay, so let's see. I want to back this up now. Git. Let's see. Made take damage from spacecraft. Made it after you touch a spacecraft. Put more around arena. Yeah. I watched some. There's a really fun movement bug I didn't even know was in the game. People run into a corner for a few seconds and then they just go flying across the map. I don't know why that's happening, but it's fun, so I'm not going to try to fix it. But because normal players don't encounter that. I mean, I've never encountered that in the years I've been working on this game, so I don't mind leaving something in if it's fun. Yeah, I gotta stretch. Alright, back to it. So where were we? Next up, I want to work on the final boss fight. Let's see. Fight. No. Where's the final boss? Here we are. Here we are. Okay, so this is the scene. So the problem right now final boss problems. No predictable behavior. Too fast. Arena too small. Not clear how to fight or stay alive. Solution. Add set healing points for around or areas around the map for both you and the boss. Make map bigger. So set healing points. Make the boss stop to heal every so often. Okay, I like that. So here's what I'm thinking. I'll make this area bigger. And so wider, 2 stories. I want to do more verticality. Wider, 2 stories, and I'm going to hang like giant chunks of meat on chains. So that way, both you and the boss. I could leave it as it is and just add another story using a mesh. That would be good. And then I could, yeah, I think that would be cool. Let's add another story. Let's see, I'll have to find the mesh for this. And then I will make another thing, an asset. All right, so to do, make second story, make asset. What do I want to start with? Let's do the second story. Where are my 3D models? Bubbles. What is this called? Let's see. You. Here, give me you. Here's your mesh. Boss chamber cylinder. Level meshes, boss chamber. Oh, it's that one. Why is it texture? Oh, right, I moved all the textures. Alright, so let's see. The path should be different. Arc ship. Where'd it go? I know the glass. I don't really care about the glass right now. I just want to get this one. What, this? No, that's not the one I want. I messed that up. Hang on. That's this. There we are. That's with that, with additive, textures. Pillars, walls, that's what I want. Walls, you have padding. I don't know, it's somewhere in here. Whatever. It's not that important. I just needed a visual reference. Alright, so let's do... Ooh. I like that. There's a mirror modifier. That's a good idea. Alright, let's do a new mesh. Circle... 32 maybe? What is this one? This one is... 1, 2, 3, 4... 2, 3, 4, 4, 16. Okay, so let's do 16. Circle 16. No, not 165. 16. Let's see, rotate on the Z by 22.5? No. Rotate on the Z by, oh, I think it's 12 and a half, 12.20. 12.25. There we go. Should be lined. No, it's not lined up. 20, no. 12? That's too much. What? Wait, 22. Oh, that would be 11.25. Yeah, half of that. I think that's lined up right. You read os.get text milliseconds says use time.get. Oh, I didn't even know time was in there. Is that new? I didn't know that was even a function they had. I've been using OS everywhere. Alright, I'll have to do like a code search and like replace everything. Watch it like break though. Just everything mysteriously breaks when I do that. Be like, fuck. Okay, so that seems to be lined up pretty well. So we'll put you in here, and I can do a flat floor. And I want to hide you. Put a this, add a modifier mirror on the X and the Z. No, wait, on the Y. That's right. Blender doesn't use Y in the same rational manner. Okay, let's see X. We want clipping. Y. Clip, yes. Okay, so now X, there we go, merge those. How do I want to do this now? You could just do that, I guess. Oh, now it's all flipped. Let's see, face, mesh, normals, recalculate outside. Oh, now it's upside down. Normals, recalculate inside, there we are. Oh, why is this? So that's just where it puts the line, that's weird. Why is it kind of messed up there? Weird. Okay, so we have the circle. Now I want to put in stairs. So what I'll do is I could extrude these down. By a set amount. And then we just merge them up at, no, not at center, at last. There. And then it's face. No. Oh, I can't do that. Okay, well, we'll extrude this out. How am I going to do this? Oh, I should have done it when it was flat, probably. Oh well. Well, I can't. Okay, I have to do it from the 3D cursor. Okay, so it's all selected. And I scale out by set number of units. Let's see. How far do I want to go out? Alright, I think I should scale the whole thing in. What? Why is it up? Damn it. Okay, so that went up. Okay, that's right. But I need to scale it in one. Move up. I don't know what scale you. Okay, I like where this is going. What's up, Introspy? Can't find anything in the docs for time? This is extending raw flesh. This is adding more content and improving stuff. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna move you down to there. Okay, so there, scale on that. Does that work? If I make the arena bigger, it might. What do you think? Because you are, I mean, I could just scale this, right? That's your height. So right now it's going to feel pretty cramped. But if I just double the height of everything, or I just like hold, I don't know, S and scale by 2, it could look better. Alright, so let's delete these faces now. That is also possible. I could go like 1.5. No. By, how much is this? Oh, 1.1. 0.5. Could work. Oh, but then, yeah, I need to like thicken it. There. Okay, yeah, just extrude down, that works. And then I go to mesh, normals, recalculate outside. There we are. Alright, I think that works, actually. Come on, let me grab you. Why can't I, come on. Grab, oh, the window's blocking it, that's why. There we go. So I think I want to move this in. Yeah, okay, and then I make that, yeah, that's good. I make this bigger. Let's see, I can move those down also. So I can move this up, delete that face, and that face. Why are there all these extra faces? Okay, grab those. There. Is that too much of an angle to run up? That might be kind of awkward. Could work. I don't know. It's not terrible. I don't hate it. I guess I could just import it and see what it looks like. The actual meshes. os.get ticks millisecond is correct for Godot 3. Oh, okay, cool. That's cool. They're adding a new thing. That'll be nice. Let's see, second floor. I'll call this. It's very awkward working with that, with the OS. Okay, so now I want to, let's see, hide this. I want to do like a circle here. How am I going to do this? There's no like easy way. I guess I could apply the modifier. How do I do that? Apply. And then I select that inset. No. Oh, right. Control does not behave how you think it would. Okay, what if I did both of these? Okay, and then I can... Okay, so I want to make like a drop-down area. Okay. Whoa, what the fuck is that? Alright, there's definitely something wrong here. There's like a seam in the middle. Somehow. What is this, like, merge by distance? Okay, remove 40 vertices, nice. Did I get whatever was in here? I think I did. Yeah, looks like it. If yeah, it's not showing that seam anymore. Okay, so now I go here, select those. Let's bring it in here, delete these faces. What? Oh, it didn't do the other side. Come on. Alright, so inset to there. Delete faces. Control 1. Cut this. Cut this. Oh, come on. Z. Or Alt Z. Make it see through. Cut these. Cut these. Bring back the mirror modifier. Where'd you go? Mirror. Y. Clip. There we go. Okay. Now I need to fill all these in. There we go. Now that's cool. Okay, so now you have like a drop down area. So you have the platform, you can run around, run up here, you can drop down, a lot more verticality and movement. That will hopefully be funner. And then I'll add in healing spots, designated healing spots. They're very obvious, and that should be cool. Maybe like I can put some drugs on the wall instead of leaving them on the floor. And ammo also. Alright, let's export you. I guess I need a texture for that. What would be a good texture? Something sci-fi, metal, roofing, plastic. I don't like these metals. I need something clean. Ooh, corrugated flooring. That could be cool. Or whatever that's called. Alright, these are interesting. Could use that for sure. That looks cool. I could use that for the panels. Or the ramps. I could use something different from there. Or I could just use them both on that. Maybe just lay it out flat. That would be fine, I think. Alright, let's say I'll use that. Ooh, I like that. Maybe I'll use that for the floor. And then the other one for the ramps. That for the tiles up, right? Let's just be lazy and try doing this with triplanar texturing. Do that. And I can do that. Let's get this and see what happens. Textures. Alright, arc ship. Let's do these over here. And you second floor. And we'll assign that to a different, let's say, new. So you'll be ramp, and then you assign that, and then is there an Alt A? No, damn it. Okay, Alt A, no, Shift A. How do you alternate what you have selected in Blender? Select. Select, unselected. Check or deselect. Wait, what do you mean? Select, check or deselect. Oh, invert selection, that's the word. Invert. Control I. There we go. There we go. And I assign it to this, which is going to be called platform, I guess. Assign that to there. Just make sure that's set up. Good. Okay. It's alright. Appreciate it, Bruce. Alright, we're gonna export this. What are you doing? Adding, fixing rot flesh, improving stuff. The usual. Apply modifiers. Wow, standing up for a long period of time is not easy. Maybe I'll sit down now. Alright, let's go into lower this desk here. So cool. Maybe it's easier if you can walk. Oh, didn't I get a package? Hang on. Just got like a message, I have a package. It's probably at the front. I got a new mat to go under my chair because this one sucks. I can't have it directly on the carpet. Alright, there we go. Alright, so we got that. Let's go to the level meshes. Where did I put those? Here. You're getting a new mesh. Alright, where is this? 3D models. Where did I put the 3D? Wait, do I have this in it? No, I don't have this in the folder. Alright, boss chamber. Where did I just put you? What? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, I guess I'll have to import the things for that. Okay, so I moved those in. Let's delete all these pickups. Let's delete the jibs. We're not going to be using those anymore. Ammo pickups. I guess I could leave that. Actually, hang on. Okay, so yeah, I want... There. Okay. Let's do... That should go into... something like that, I guess. Just get everything moved. Okay. So... Oh, that's... Yeah. Also in the background. There we are. Wait, did the fog get messed up? Oh, it's just the draw distance on here. On this one. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, we got this. Let's see, where's the platform now? So this is view chamber here. I think I'll just redo this. Environments here. Wait, what is this? Bubble door. Oh, I see. Where am I? Here. Drag in this here. Make local. I don't know. I could leave it edible children. Okay, that. Oh, it needs to get moved over, doesn't it? I mean, does it? I could just leave those on 0. They probably should be. Is that right? Oh, it needs to go up one more unit. There we go. Okay, and move the final boss and the player up. There. Okay. Now, okay, so we got that. Environment's laid out. Let me scale this. What happens if I were to scale you to... Well, let's see. I guess I'll see how it feels right now to run around in real quick. And then let's just override stats with some... Here, try running around. Oh, what? Why did we click through? God damn. So that's there, the player. Why am I clipping through the environment now? Oh, I hate when this just like randomly happens. It's like suddenly collision doesn't work. It's not clear why. Okay, if I put you on top of the map, should work, right? No, it's just there's no collision. Why is there no collision? Oh, maybe I need to use the other kind of... Oh, I can't delete this? Are you kidding me? Okay. Edible. Make local. Alright, try on static body. I mean, that should do it. That always did before, but this time it's not working right. Alright, now it's working. Weird. I guess I just had to hit make local. There we go. Alright, let's see what it feels like to run around in. Do I want to keep it a smaller arena, or do I want to make it larger? I feel like a little more space would be nice. I feel like, I don't know, this could work actually. Like with the verticality, I think it could be fun. Well, let's try making it larger too and see how it feels. Like that, oh, just adding that makes it so much better. Look at this, so much better. Let's see, how does it feel to dodge your attacks? Oh, there's no nav. Right, I need to set up the nav range. Now I can't even see you. Where? There you are. Alright, let's see. Let's try making it twice as large. So I'll do scale to 1.5, or not twice as large, but much larger. Let's try this. Oh, but then I won't be able to jump. Alright, let's say, whoops, no, do 1. So not scale vertically, just scale it horizontally. I do want to be able to jump up. I do like the cramped feel also when you go down. Yeah, I think that's a good height. Yeah, I think it does feel a little better with the more space here. Okay, so that's cool. Now we gotta put in the textures and we gotta fix the other doors so they're the same scale. You and you. Can I put you under? No, that wouldn't make sense. 1.5, 1.5. Move you back. There. Oops. That. There. I think that's pretty good. That looks good. Yeah. All right. So that's all in. Now let's get those textures on. Where did I just put those? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, so we got these. Let's try importing these and just see what they look like. Raw. Platform, you can do, I think it was this one. And you're gonna have no metallic, roughness, max. Coal mode, you can be on. Specular, disabled. Oh, it's a song again. Alright, so what do I need? Oh yeah. World triplanar. That's under flags, right? Here. UV1 should also be triplanar. Alright, now I gotta scale this to like, no, it's that's too small. I don't know if I like this texture that much. Let's do ramp, same thing. Yeah, I don't know if I'm feeling this color. Make parts of the platform transparent with grading. Well, I mean, there's a big hole in the middle. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I already kind of modeled it in a way that's not really, wouldn't really work for being transparent. I don't really want to do a lot of texturing either. We're just doing basic roll triplanar, easy stuff. Roughness. Now for the albedo, we're doing, I was gonna try this one. And 0.1. Okay, that looks pretty bad. Yeah, the streaks on there from the, the triplanar texturing is not very forgiving on this. Let's try, this one. Yeah, I think this one I might have to manually texture these ramps because the angles don't work well for, unless I did sharpness value. Let's see. Oh, hey, that actually looks pretty nice. Oh, not over there though. Yeah, it looks completely different. Oh wait, I scaled it wrong. There we go. Okay, now it looks actually not bad. Okay, actually it's not terrible now. Now we do one. There's this awkward cut there where the triangle is. Oh. I could probably straighten that out and it would look better. Or I can leave it in and just say that's intended. So let's see. So I need to scale that down, or I need to downscale the texture, but that could work. Why is the, oh, let's take off some sharpness. No, that doesn't bring the lines back. Huh. Alright, that isn't terrible. What if I do that same thing with the platform? Yeah, I don't like it. I'm not really a fan of those textures for it. Need something different for up here. What would be a good texture? Oh, why did I just hide? Plastic textures, fiberglass, nah. Roofing. I kind of like that. That's cool. Where is it? Where did it just go? This. I like the way this looks. Let's use this. All right. Yeah, that's nice. Maybe I could work with that. Does have a space feel to it. Is it? And it's light, whereas the second floor is dark, so it is easy to distinguish the two. I'd work with that. Yeah, I'm down. So let's just downscale these, I guess. You? Yeah. So, I don't know. What are these other textures at? Say, oh, weird. It's not square. Oops. Alright, I'll scale that. Let's see. Tiles, low res, PNG. It's probably going to be too high res. Yeah, I think it's compared to that, it's too high res. Let's see what this. This one was platform material. Walkway low res. Wait, really? Yeah, there's like no noticeable difference. Okay, we gotta drop that again. Let's do 64 maybe. Scale 64. Wait, what? It's not... Oh, damn, I was using the wrong... Right, that's not what I wanted. I meant to do ramp. That's what I was looking for. Let's see, let's compare it to this. The pixel sizes are actually... I think they're... Yeah, they are larger. Or are they? Looks about... No, it looks a little larger. I'm not sure. They're stretched a bit. Let's try going to 128. Do I use baked light mats? I've never bothered to learn how to use them. I probably should, but they just make... I don't know. I think once I tried to learn how to use them and it just like... It was a huge pain. And I gave up. That could work. Yeah, I think that would be fine. It's kind of noisy, but... Yeah, thanks Ace. I realize that now. Okay, so 128 is pretty good. We're gonna go to you. 128. Scale you. Let's do filter, adjust, auto contrast. No, that looks terrible. What if I duplicate it and add some soft light? No. Multiply. Kind of looks nice. I think that's bringing it too close to the tone of the floor though. Let's try this. Alright, platform, put you on. Let's do gray now. I'll take that off. Makes it look less spacey. Space tech should always look like shiny. Oh, but now it's not shiny enough. I don't know. Not enough contrast. Maybe, oh yeah, I should do this trick where... Alright, so upscale it. Scale down to... Well, what happens if I do 128 by cubic? That might look a little better. Alright, yeah, I think that's alright. Even though it's by cubic, it still looks crunchy. Oh, these pixels are way bigger. Hang on. Where's the... I must be using a different scale. What was the platform? Okay, platform, this one is 1.1, and then this one is 0.5. Alright, let's try dropping it. Yeah, it looks weird if I do that, though. So we'll leave it at that, and I guess I'll just leave it at a higher resolution, right? I mean, that should be fine, I guess. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. Yeah, it's still bigger actually, but that's fine. It doesn't look like it is. Yeah, that I think looks pretty cool. Alright. That's a big improvement for the arena. Let's see, where's the entrance is there. Is it gonna look weird if I, let's say player here, let's turn off that, but let's put you 1 HP. Let's see if it correctly opens when I kill this guy. And I think it did. I wasn't paying attention actually. How long have I been working on this? Like on and off since 2018, I guess. What? What? How did that kill me before? Did I just miss or something? What? It's not dying in one hit anymore. Even though it has 1 HP. Maybe he's regenning too fast. Where'd he go? Okay, I did get a headshot. It's funny. Okay, so the door opened correctly. Alright, so that was the first goal, to make the second story of that part. And then I have to make the asset for the... Oh, I gotta run in a bit. I need to go pick up something. Hang on, when does this place close? Closes at 6 p.m. Okay. Alright, good. I can leave a little later. I want to finish this before I leave. Yeah, close at 6. Alright, I got a while. Oh, damn it. Alright. Next thing, the assets for... So that looks fine. Happy with that. Now I'm doing... textures. I do have a lot of like random meat textures, but I do need a chain. Let's search library. Do you have just a chain that's with a transparent background? I could edit that, but prefer to. Alright, let's model this out first, and then I will. So let's see, we're gonna do mesh cube. This will be the pull. So let's see. Oh wait, first up. That's alright, that's my person reference. Cube. So I want it to be about yay high. We'll stick out of a wall with a pull. I'll have a plane, rotate on the X by 90. There. What's up, wave? So let's see. Then where do I save this? Structures, props. Props, maybe? No, that's not interactable stuff. Oh, I guess it is. Okay, so. So that'll be the chain. I'll duplicate that and rotate it. I'll be fine. And then we need something like, I don't know, this. Let's do something like that. Put like that in. Oh, I could mirror this, actually. That would probably be a good idea. And I should probably separate all these out, actually. Let's see, L, P, separate. Ref. Hook and meet. Actually, let's move this down. A bit better center of gravity. I don't really care where the reference is. I just want it to be like that. Maybe, oh, I could use like, I could just use like a body texture and like hang it up. That would probably be way cooler, actually. I'll take it, or a body model. Yeah, let's import a body. And then I'll texture paint on it. How did I learn Blender? YouTube tutorials entirely, yeah. It was all YouTube tutorials. So we're gonna import, import? That could work, but I think append. Let's get a character, anything will do. Will it? I think this would be best. Let's go in here. Let's get your mesh. Okay, here we are. Come on, select. Give me a mirror clip. Hide the hook. Okay, we need to get rid of this and show legs. Do not select that. What can I delete? I want to, I guess I could do like some dissolve edges here. Oops. and that. I'm just gonna delete the hands. Don't need those. Wait, what is that? Oh, okay. Let's just kind of, whoa. Get rid of that, get rid of that. We just need to make it look like a malformed person, or a totally brutalized, beat up, roughly vaguely humanoid shape, and then I will just texture on a meat texture to it. Alright, yeah, that kind of looks like a person now. What's my monitor resolution? Yeah, it's like 25-inch 1080p. It's like, I don't know, I need to buy a new monitor. I need to get like a nice large one. Probably should get something 4K, I guess. I mean, I've been working fine with these for so long. I'm just like, probably should upgrade the setup since I have a good computer now, so it's like, might as well. But I'm not sure what to get. I gotta like do the research and stuff. And I just bought like a new desk and chair, and like, I don't know if I want to justify another purchase that I don't really need. So we could rotate this. I think this should probably come in like that. Oh, that can get dissolved. I don't need these vertices. Let's, yeah, put that there. Just keep this as like some heavily decimated model. Oops. All right. Now I need to close this in. Oh, what is that? Huh. Oh, that's probably part of the leg. Okay, that's fine. Maybe I should make it actually attached to the leg. I don't need this to be multi-mesh, so, or a multi-part mesh. Let's just do that, it'll probably look better. Oh wait, yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just merge these. Oops. Oops. Hey, what's up, PGB? Yeah, I occasionally stream on Twitch. I should, something I need to get more serious about and like stream. I think it's an interesting area for like game development that not a lot of people are doing right now. Any useful tools like humanoid hull generators or clothing add-ons? I use the absolute bare minimum tools because I don't want to spend the time to learn something new. If I want something like fancy that I don't know how to do, I'll just pay someone probably. I'm at the point where I'm like, all right, I'm tired of learning new things in literally every aspect. I'm like, let's just go with what I already know and whatever's quicker. I'm gonna do that. All right, that looks like a rough person shape. Oh, maybe I should, yeah, let's take off the feet. That would be creepy. Oops. delete you. There we go. There and done. There we go. Saw some of my videos. Nice to see me stream. Oh, thanks. You're doing your own game. Game Maker. I haven't used Game Maker. Yeah, first starting out with games is a lot of very difficult, but it is fun once you start to actually like get it. And it's like, oh, this is cool. Do I want to do a hook of some sort? Let's see. So if I do this, I do by like 90 degrees. That's where the chain goes. Then I could do like a hook thing. Yeah, I think that looks cool. I'll just scale that. Isn't there like a thicken tool, or just like scales outwards by face? How do you do that? What's it called? More fat slider, perhaps for Unity. Oh, that's an interesting slider. Refactoring would be stupid hard. Wait, refactoring what? Getting out of the tutorial zone. Yeah. That's the rough part. But it's like, once you start to get the hang of it, and it's just like, oh, so worth it. So worth it. Okay, I think meat hook would look more like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that looks cool. Oh wait, it should curve back, shouldn't it? That doesn't make sense. The physics doesn't make sense for that. Yeah, it should like that. And then yeah, that makes more sense. All right. Solidify, that's the word. Yeah, or that's the tool. Thanks. I mean, I already fixed it, but now I know for next time. Okay, so there's this sticking out. I don't want it to be something you can stand on, though, is the thing. So I'm like, when you could, actually it wouldn't matter if you stand on this, that would be fun. It's not like you can stand still anyway, it's not going to give you an advantage. You want to finish your game? Is it a game that you can actually finish with the skills you have, or that you'll be able to get? Because you don't want to grind away at something you can't finish for 3 years if you're a beginner and then never finish it. Make sure it's something that you can actually, do. Alright, so we're going to do you. Select all this, unselect that, and UV project. Let's see. That looks cool. Let's see. UV project. Okay, let's shrink the island margins. Or increase the margin, I mean. Alright, and okay, let's see. You. Whoops. I think it'll be like this. It should work fine. There. Alright. Oh wait, that one has to be transparent. This should probably be some different texture or different material. Ah, whatever, doesn't matter. Remove the arms. Oh, right. I should make them hang more naturally. Good catch. Good point. And maybe I should make it like... Yeah, I think it looks cool. I don't mind Ace. Appreciate it. You saw a video on a game. Oh yeah, Iron Lung I played. Iron Lung is awesome. I played through it a while back. Or a few days ago, I think. Review. New material. And we will do base color, image, texture. Tilt the head more back. New and we'll paint. Yeah, it's fine. New texture. This is whatever. This is also going to have this. Not a fan of traditional horror, but yeah, I think it was a really cool, interesting idea, and I really like the way it was implemented. I like the setting a lot. Just that experimental stuff is always a lot of fun to see, especially in horror. Just do like weird, interesting things. Alright, I want it to just look like a weird mess, so I'm fine with that. And we're gonna do these, this. Let's see, project. Or UV project. That. That. Yeah. 30 down to there. Okay. Now we need texture paint. So, texture paints, and give me stencil mode. Bring in here. Let's go find some textures. I have something somewhere for this. Items. High res. Where are my references? Alright, here we go. Let's do... Oh. I just straight up made a texture for that. Interesting. Alright, let's bring out these. There we go. That was easy. Just touch it up a bit. So it's bad time. Fun to see an ocean of blood when you got blood in your mouth from wisdom tooth. I remember getting a wisdom tooth. Or both my wisdom, or all four of them pulled. I don't remember how many I got pulled. It was not fun. Don't bother you much because you're a med school student. Damn, good luck. Don't worry, you don't need your 20s anyway. Your 20s aren't that important anyways. Your service is appreciated, though, to the world. Think about all the money you'll make. Oh, you're graduating. Congrats. Alright, there's a lot of weird mirror bugs here. I guess it was from the overlap painting. Oh, apply some to the cook? Okay, yeah. Could. A little bit on there. Alright, that, when I lower the resolution, it should look fine. And next up we got you. Wait, oh. So I want, let's do texture view also. There we are. Turn off specular. Okay, specular's done. I'll put some, let's say, options here. Yeah, that can look cool. So now I need a metal texture. Do I have a metal texture already downloaded I can use? Oh, right there. Perfect. I'll just paint over this whole thing, and then I'll like touch it up. That could actually just work as it is. I don't hate it. Especially once I like lower the resolution, it'll look more interesting. Alright, here we go. Oh, I need to save this texture, right? Props. Here we are. Alright, now I need to do this pole coming out. That could also be something. Let's see. Oh, I've also got this. Huh, I got a few variations. Use those, can be interesting. Yeah, I'm good with that. Right now for the final one, I just want to, I'm just gonna paint this white so I know where to put it. Do I want to do some kind of chain like this? Or could I could just do a wire. Actually, I feel like a little cable would look more interesting. Let's do that. Cube. Delete that face. I can delete that face too. What? Come on. Give me that. All right. Okay, yeah, that's attached. That's attached. Oops, unwrap. Yeah, and there we go. All right, now I need something I can use it as a cable. And I want to go in here and only paint selected faces. I can leave those off. Do I have something I can use as a cable? Iron Lung is a game you admire, but you can't enjoy. I mean, with the movement, it's not like the movement system that it has. It's like, oh, that's cool, but it's not something you'd want to play for more than like an hour. It's not like the movement isn't the fun part. The fun part is the restriction of it, I guess. The claustrophobia of it all. I swear I have some kind of cable stuff. Monsters. Where are we? Monsters. Where did I? Oh, they're there. Okay. Do I have the wizard in here? No, I think that might be in characters. Or where is it? Bandit? I'll do a search here. User texture. Oh, it's just in a wizard. What? Why isn't this showing up? Oh, nothing's in alphabetical order. That makes sense. That's why. Refs. Here we are. That's what I was looking for. Rotate by ID. Ah, maybe I should have scaled it. Oh well. It's kind of hard to like line this up. That should be fine actually if I just scale that. Alright, I think that's good. I just feel like that doesn't contrast enough with this. I need to make it darker. Let's switch back to... Oh, what if I used brass? Yeah, that might be cool. Then it'll like really stand out a lot. Yeah, now it's very distinct visually. Alright, let's go with that. I do have some rust textures, but this is like, I don't know, it's in a huge spacecraft that, I don't know, I feel like it wouldn't rust, because everything else is like a clean spacecraft aesthetic. So. Apply modifiers, save the texture. Props, let's see, arc ship. Environment. Assets, props, here we are. Assets. Just drop it in. Where is that? This here, copy path. Yeah, this is the last level that's already in the game. I'm just making it better right now. Do I aim for sterile cleanse tools, surgical, or old rusty dripping mold? Like right now, I think it varies. Some of the parts are like old, beat up, but not like molding. It's more just like from usage kind of molds. I kind of like the feel that there's nothing living here to have affected it since it was last used. Meat material, beta parameters, disable that. Turn off specular. For horror, I feel like the surgical environment stuff with like a little bit of mess overlaid on it is really cool. Also, oh wait, why do I have it facing this way? That's kind of weird. I should have rotated it. Hang on. Let's see. Rotate around the 3D cursor. There. There. Okay, nice. Now I need to get... Okay, that gives me a shape. Now you bring my texture. Where did I save this texture to? Was it there? I don't see it in here. Oh, it is here. Okay. Alright, scale this down. Let's do 256. How's that gonna look? Probably not enough, actually. Let's do it again one more time. 28. I feel like I should have just kept all the textures related to 3D models in the 3D model folder in the first place, because now I've got it all mixed up. So there's like a texture folder and a 3D model folder, and it just like gets confusing. So I'm like, wait, which one was where? Oh, that does not look good. Yeah, that needs to be... Maybe we'll double it. Sports. Also, that's a typo. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. Right there. I like that. I will have to put the hitbox on or whatever to, let's see. So you can actually, how's the head? Something keeps would be hanging in the direction processor. Not everything. It's rigor mortis is holding it up. That's what it is. It's rigor mortis. Oh, this is with the naming convention. I don't know if I feel annoyed. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks cool. Put it kind of, we'll rotate them around. So you have these spots to stop, and that's where you heal. I kind of wanted them to be bigger. Like I wanted them to be very visual and bigger, but this will work. As long as it's obvious, like, because like the boss is going to stop at these. I might have to adjust the textures to make them stand out more, because I feel like they're the same value as the metal, so it kind of blends in a little bit. Some lights or torches on them. That'd be a good idea. I could just put like a spotlight above it. Put like a little light right there or something. Do I have something I could use as a lamp that I have right now? It should be red. that look like? Oh, it doesn't reach far enough down. The light. There we go. Kinda looks cool. Yeah. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Beautiful. Thank you, Void. That's going alright. Alright, I think I'm gonna go very soon. I need to go run some errands and eat. Yeah, that looks cool. I like that. So there's very clear points. And I could put ammo around them too and stuff. So it's like, okay, this is where you go for ammo. So it's like, alright, you're fighting, run over here, you got cover, you eat, and then like, I should make the footsteps really loud on this character so you can hear them approaching more. And yeah. Probably should have made that not line up, oh well. It's fine. That's cool. Yeah, that looks good. Kind of looks like they're facing backwards, which is also fine. Yeah. If I could make my dream game with unlimited budget, I would pay someone else to do it for me. That's my dream game, is where I don't have to do any of the hard part. I don't know, I don't care what the game is. It's just I pay someone else to do all the hard work. And then I just say what to do. It could be dripping blood, that could be cool. Alright, let's back this up. I'm gonna head out. Commit, added. The ideas guy. Hey, if you have enough money, everyone is happy to if you're the idea guy. Pure designer with no technical role. I don't know, maybe a little design. I kind of like programming some things, but I don't know. If I could just tell people what to do, that would be easier. Oh, I could put a blood sprite underneath. That would be good. Learning game dev, so we open mid studio. You'll apply. All right, sounds good. All right, so we did the two things I wanted to do there. I can get rid of all this trash. So next time, let's see that. This still needs to be worked on, but I did that. Those two things are good. That'll be something I approach next time. I think Wednesday I'll stream next. I think I'm gonna try to do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. I know every time I stream, I'm like, I'm gonna stream it this day, and then I never do, but maybe this time it'll happen. What's all this stuff? Oh, this was like some other to-do stuff I need to get working. Right, I do need to record clips, but I'm not. It's not fun. That's stuff I need to do. All right, let's go find someone to raid. Whoops. Yeah, I can close that. I don't need to work anymore today. Nope, 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 nope. Wait, not that. I don't care about music. Here we are. Devs for Ukraine. Okay, I should probably raid you. Building a crypto-based creator platform. Oh my god, crypto. Devs for Ukraine. Oh, is this game dev? I should probably do our game dev thing, but this is Ukraine, so let's raid devs for Ukraine. We can raid them. Free online engineering conference with the goal to raise funds to provide for Ukraine. All right, that's the ethical thing to do right now. Thanks for joining, everyone. That was a good stream. That was fun. I will see you all hopefully Wednesday. So I'll see you then, and have a good stream.
The cars on the left and on the right, and also when you're backing down and turning at the same time.